Hello students, since it is your training session, please keep your mobile phones away. Be ready with your abacus tools. All those students who are doing online can order for the tool online. Sit at a quiet place, and in case of any query, please drop a mail at support@kofal.in. All those students who are doing online need not necessarily buy the tool, but it is better if they arrange for the same, because in that case they will be working in the tutorial sessions on their tools. Let us start with our training session. Level 1, Session 5. Students, we are going to do small friends today. Okay, small friends, look how big the giraffe is and what a good friend the bird is. Over here, you find the missing number that will make 5. 3. What should we add to 3 that make 5? I know you have the answer. It is 2. Now, what should be added to 4 to make 5? That is 1. What should be added to 1 to make 5? I know you have the answer. It is 4. And what should be added to 2 to make 5? Your answer is 3. Students, whatever you see, 2, 1, 3 and 4, they are the small friends. They are the friends of each other. 3 is a good friend of 2 and 2 is a good friend of 3. 4 is a good friend of 1 and 1 is a good friend of 4. 3 is a good friend of 2, 2 is a good friend of 3, 1 is a good friend of 4 and 4 is a good friend of 1. You remember this over here, over in your books. You need to fill only in the hard copies. You need to fill the friends on every page. There are boxes on the left hand side on the top of the box and the top of the page where you need to fill in the good friends. On online also you need to fill good friends. You see on every page you find the small boxes, small columns where you need to fill good friends, and so that you can do your calculations easily. Now let us see how these friends help each other. 4. You take out 4. Now you have to add 1 to it. In the lower deck we don't have 1. Now how shall we do it? Who is the good friend of 1? The good friend of 1 is 4. The friend of 1 is 4. Now we bring 4 down, 5 down. The friend of 1 is 4. We bring 4 down, 5 down. Answer is 5. One, We take out 3 more. Now 1 more. How do we do it? Now over here we will use small friend. 4 down, 5 down. We have the answer 5. We take out 4. Now we have to add 1 to it. How will we do? We will use our small friend. Who is the friend of 1? 4. 4 down, 5 down. Now 2 less 5. We have the answer 2. 40, 10. 10 more. How do we do it? Same, small friend. 40 down, 50 down. 10 more. We have the answer. I hope you can read it. 60. We are using small friends. Small friend of 1 is 4. 24. Now 11. 1 on the 10 rod, 1 on the unit rod. On the 10 rod, 1 is direct, no problem. But on the unit rod, we will use small friend. Now 113. Less 25. We have the answer 23. All of you do all these calculations on your abacus tools first in order to have a command over the page. Now let us take out 3. Now we have to add 2 to it. How do we do? We don't have 2 in the lower deck. Now students, who is the friend of 2? You have to see the lower one which has to be added 2. Now you have to find out the friend of 2. Who is the friend of 2? The friend of 2 is 3. Normally students make a mistake. They take out the friend of 3. No. The friend of 2 is 3. So you have to bring 3 down. Because the number that is to be added, you have to find out its friend. The friend of 2 is 3. 3 down, 5 down. Answer is 5. 4, 2. Who is the friend of 2? 3. 3 down, 5 down. 2 more. Less 6. Less 6, I hope you remember. 5 from the upper deck, 1 from the lower deck. Together, you have the answer 2. 64. 22. 20 from 2 from the tens rod, 2 from the units rod. Now 2 from the tens rod is comfortable, you can take out easily, but 2 from the units rod you will have to use the friend. 3 down, 5 down will be on the units rod, whereas on tens rod directly. 11. Direct both side. No problem. No friend. Less 21. Direct. No problem. You have the answer 76. I hope you read right. Read them right and then do. No calculation. Many times it happens that you do the sum correct, but you read the beat wrong. Many children, instead of writing 76, write down 66 or 86. This should not happen. So be careful while reading the beats.